Who is that fucking reader? Who is that fucking reader? Who?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is of the incident that occurred on 28th of September 2025 in the university which is called the Assam Kaziranga University in Jorhat. The video, we came to know that it's in a hostel. Inside his room there are his roommates. They might be chatting, they might having fun. So the Naga boy might ask what was the reasons that made all the shop close. Then one of his friends might say to him that, told him that the shops were closed on account of the demise of the legendary singer Zubeen Gargh's death. On account of his death, all the shops are closed, not only in that particular area but all in Assam. So after hearing this, after knowing this, after the statements came from their friends, then the Naga boy might understand it carefully and might stay calm. But instead of, because of the causes of there might be a little drink among them, and because of that reasons from the clips we come to know that even the Naga boy, he didn't wear his shirt. Then in a standing posture he retaliated to his roommates that who's the fucking leader. So fucking word is actually it is a slang word sometimes used by person, especially it is a word, the meaning is very abusive, or it's when you are getting very annoyed, then that's the meaning of it. Your frustrations, you're worried too much, then the word, particular fucking words are used as a slang word nowadays. Because of this word which was used by this particular Naga boy, that makes the roommates some unbearable words, not very indecent or very unbearable to them not to hear such kind of words, remarks, or say to Zubeen Gargh. So because of one of his roommates made a video clips, and then that video was released to the other hostelers there. Then from that, one of the hostel boys, all the hostelers, they came to his rooms and they asked to apologize for making guilty, then to say sorry. Then in that conditions, it is very pressurized for the Naga. So after getting frightened, the Naga boy was brought in the basement of the university building. Then they made apologies. They made him kneel down and apologize, say sorry, and he has written also the apologies later. But the video clips, it got transferred to the department. It is said that there are more mobs and more crowds of the local areas. They came to the building and they gathered there, opening the gates forcefully, and they are coming with an angry moods, and some are bringing some sticks. It's shown in the video itself, and some might be bringing some other lethal weapons, it's said that. So these incidents happen like this. Then last, after some shouting there, then the boy was taken to the top of the hostel. It is said that, and the boy had to disguise by wearing the police dress. Then he was hidden in the corner of the window, it is said that. Then the matters went on more and more like a wildfire. Then around 12 o'clock the matter got over, it is said like this. So the next day, after a long discussions, after some his friends recorded the video of the Naga boy standing and saying these abusive words to how many roommates are there in that particular room, we do not know. But if they don't want to bring this matter outside, then they want to stop the argument inside. Then after recording the video, they won't have to transfer to the other friends. And if the roommates wants the boy to be apologized, then there are formally 2 or 3 inside the room. In the video itself shows that this Naga boy won't be defeated by exchanging harsh words, or the boy will not get defeated in the argument. He should not say like this. We must respect one another. Because of this respect, because of angriness, it made a big blunder for him and to all the hostelers, which brings a defeat of the hostel boy years and all the students of that particular university. Like the idiom says, one potato brings spoilage to all the rest of the potatoes. It's in the same way. So this student got all viral. So this boy also will get very embarrassed, very shy, and all his friends and all the people of in Nagaland, from the incident we have to learn the good qualities. That is, we have to forgive, we have to love one another, and the bad things is that of beverages. We have to keep in mind about this. So inside a hostel room, there might be friends. There might be a loving air inside the room. Then for some months they have been as the best friends. Then why should the Naga boy should use these words or should not obey the other friends' advice? Or after hearing the shops would be closed on account of the demise of the Zubeen Gargh. It happens because all those who are inside there in the rooms, they don't think over and over again that see before you lift this. They do not get into their minds because of this. This Naga boy will feel shy to go out even from his home to outside for some days. That's enough for him. We have to forgive him. What God had done, we must not linger it for some more days. This incident occurred. It is very bad situations and it is very sad incident for all of us. Compromising from the two states, then all the students, it is said around 250 students were expelled or returned to the Nagaland state, it is said. So from this video, we have to learn that to err is human. Human make mistake. We have to forgive one another. So as a personally, it is enough for me, I think, because sometimes we have to consider everything. It's our son, and once we were also students, and because of this drinking makes him mistake, but he should not be, because he was brought up well educated and he was intelligent, so he got in the university. So I personally request all the people who are involved in this in the next days not to have such a, most people, we have to calm down because the boy got expelled. That's enough for him, and he apologized, and he might not get admission in other university also, and the rest of his classmates or the other students of that university, they may not come back to study there because they got frightened because of this incident, fatal incidents anymore. So we must love and respect among ourselves as we are human beings. At the same time, during this drinking, one should think over not to disrespect or not to make much funny, which makes the other persons embarrassed very much, and not to bring unhappiness to the other persons. We must respect another. So with this video, I appeal to all the people of Assam that we must love one another, we must respect one another, we must use words meaningfully and in a very decent way. Decent words we have to use. This is our behavior. So with this video, I'm gonna conclude this. See you in the next time.